Fast food, convenient, tasty, and a ticking time bomb for your health. It's hard to ignore the allure of fast food. With its tantalizing flavors, pocket-friendly prices, and the sheer convenience it offers, fast food has woven itself into the fabric of our society. But beneath this appealing facade lurks a darker reality. Fast food is a primary driver of some of the most pressing health issues of our time. Obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and a host of other chronic health problems are often traced back to a steady diet of these quick meals. Each mouth-watering bite is packed with unhealthy fats, excess sodium, and sugars, a trifecta that wreaks havoc on our bodies in the long run. The consequences are dire: an increased risk of heart attack, stroke, and other life-threatening conditions. Fast food may be easy on the pocket, but it exacts a heavy toll on our health. The true cost of fast food goes beyond our wallets, affecting our health in profound ways. Obesity is a growing global concern, and fast food plays a significant role in this epidemic. To understand this connection, we need to delve into the scientific underpinnings of this phenomenon. Fast food is typically high in calories, sugars, unhealthy fats, and portion sizes. The human body is designed to crave these energy-dense foods as a survival mechanism, a relic from our evolutionary past when food was scarce. However, in today's world of abundance, these cravings lead to overconsumption and weight gain. When we consume food, our body breaks it down into its constituent elements, using some immediately for energy and storing the excess for later use. The problem with fast food is that it often contains a significantly higher number of calories than our body needs for immediate energy. This surplus of energy is stored in the body as fat, leading to weight gain and, over time, obesity. Moreover, fast food is typically high in sugars and unhealthy fats. Consuming too much sugar can lead to insulin resistance, a precursor to obesity. Unhealthy fats, particularly trans and saturated fats, contribute to weight gain and can increase the risk of obesity. Portion sizes at fast food outlets are another contributing factor. They are often much larger than what a person needs for a single meal, leading to overconsumption. It's easy to eat more than you need when a supersized meal is just a few cents more, and this contributes to the cycle of overeating and weight gain. Furthermore, the body's energy balance is thrown off kilter by this overconsumption. Energy balance refers to the equilibrium between the energy we take in through food and the energy we expend through physical activity and basic metabolic functions. When this balance is disrupted, as it often is with regular fast food consumption, it can lead to weight gain and obesity. Fast food, with its high caloric content and large portion sizes, fuels the fire of the obesity epidemic. Understanding this connection is crucial if we are to tackle this global health crisis effectively. Heart disease is often associated with fast food, but what exactly is the connection? Let's dive into the science behind this correlation. Fast food is notorious for its high levels of saturated fats, trans fats, and sodium. Each of these elements, when consumed excessively, can lead to a cascade of adverse effects on our cardiovascular health. Let's start with saturated fats. These are the kind of fats that are solid at room temperature, think butter, or the fat in red meat. Saturated fats can increase the level of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, or what we often call bad cholesterol in our bloodstream. High levels of LDL can lead to plaque buildup in the arteries, which can narrow them and make it harder for blood to flow to the heart. This can eventually lead to a heart attack. Now, onto trans fats. These are a type of fat that is created through a process called hydrogenation, which makes unsaturated fats more stable and less likely to spoil. However, these fats are far from beneficial for our bodies. Like saturated fats, trans fats also raise LDL cholesterol levels, but they add another punch. They lower high-density lipoprotein, HDL, the good cholesterol, which helps remove LDL cholesterol from the arteries. This double whammy can accelerate the development of heart disease. Lastly, let's talk about sodium. Most fast foods are loaded with it. Sodium can increase blood pressure by holding excess fluid in the body, creating an added burden to the heart. Over time, high blood pressure can weaken and damage the heart muscles, leading to heart disease. To put it simply, the high levels of unhealthy fats and sodium in fast food can lead to increased blood pressure and bad cholesterol levels. These changes in our bodies set the stage for heart disease, a condition that can have devastating effects on our overall health and quality of life. Fast food consumption sets the stage for heart disease with its high levels of unhealthy fats and sodium. So next time you're tempted by the convenience of fast food, consider the long-term impact on your heart health. Fast food doesn't just impact our waistlines and hearts, it also affects our blood sugar levels. The culprit behind this is the high sugar and simple carbohydrate content often found in fast food. These simple carbs are rapidly broken down into glucose, causing a sudden spike in blood sugar levels. To manage this surge, our body releases insulin, a hormone that helps cells absorb glucose. However, when we frequently consume fast food, our bodies are constantly dealing with these sugar spikes. Over time, our cells can become less responsive to insulin, a condition known as insulin resistance. This can lead to an overproduction of insulin, which may eventually exhaust the pancreas. The result? A higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes. So, when we talk about the harmful effects of fast food, it's not just about weight gain. It's also about how these foods manipulate our body's sugar management system. Fast food's high sugar content pushes our bodies into a state of insulin resistance, paving the way for type 2 diabetes. Fast food may seem like a quick and easy meal option, but the health consequences are far-reaching. Let's quickly recap the major health problems linked to fast food consumption. First, we have obesity, a condition that's often associated with the high calorie content of these meals. Fast food is typically loaded with unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium, which can lead to weight gain when consumed in excess. Next, we delve into heart disease. The high levels of saturated and trans fats found in fast food can increase cholesterol levels and blood pressure, putting undue stress on the heart. Lastly, we have diabetes. The excessive sugars in fast food can spike blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance, a key factor in the development of type 2 diabetes. The scientific reasons behind these health issues are clear and undeniable. The convenience of fast food comes at a high price, impacting our health in ways that are scientifically profound and deeply concerning.